There is an alternative way which sometimes fits as well to separate at the beginning or at the end a certain part of the text. You can use the function Textbefore, and as you can see there are quite some parameters, so let's have a look on our formula builder. The first part is always a text you have to go for. Yeah, oops, I've now jumped into the wrong row. So again, I have Maria Morales. Then I'm looking for my delimiter, which in our case is the comma. I'm looking for the instance number, so now I can count through and look for maybe the first, and you can see the intermediate result is Marie Morales. If I look for the second one, you see it's Marie Morales Bergstraße 86, because the second delimiter, just second comma, just comes after this number. Now I have a match mode, which is either true or false. True means it's case sensitive. False, it's not case sensitive. So I either enter true or false or 0 or 1. In our case, it doesn't matter because a comma is not case sensitive at all. Then I do have a match and. Yeah, so if I now enter in here the instance number 3, you get an error code, NA, not applicable. If, however, at the match end, if the end of the text is recognized as a comma as well, yeah, then you see the complete text is given out. Yeah, so 1 means the end is recognized as a comma as well. A 0 means it's not. I can now update my number. I go to number 4. I do get a fault anyhow, but now I can enter, like in F error, I can enter a text which should be displaced if no comma is found, if there is an error. Yeah, so too many commas. Yeah, and you can see in here the result in this case would be according to that. Okay, let's do it like this. Yeah, and let's give it a try once more. Sorry. We go for our first one, yeah, and the rest can stay. And we now get Maria Morales, and the rest is quite similar.